photographers, it is Kita with Kita Explore Photography here, and this year I'm implementing something new in my channel, which is photography challenges. So let's jump into January's photography challenge today, which is how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. So you're going to see me live edit someone's teeth to make them whiter in Photoshop, and I'll explain what I do. So let's get into today's video. And before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and continuing to support me. Now let's get into whitening these teeth in this photo in Photoshop. Okay, so I am at my computer and we're gonna see how long this takes because this is a photography challenge. So that means once I finish this, I want you to whiten teeth either in this way or if you have another way, because there's several ways you can whiten teeth in Photoshop. I want to see how you do it, and you can tag me your final results at Photography by Kita on Instagram. So let's see how long this takes me. So we're going to start the clock now. So right now I am just selecting the teeth, getting as close of an outline as possible because there is a way you can remove those other areas, but you don't want to have to remove so much. So I'm just selecting an outline. Now I'm going to duplicate this layer. So mind you, this background layer I have is the original photo, so I don't want to get rid of that. So once I duplicate the layer, I'm going to put a mask onto the teeth. Then I'm going to click on this layer and click on the thumbnail. I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, and then Black and White. And then we're gonna adjust the yellow in the color. So obviously you can make it as bright or as you want. You don't want that, but so you wanna make it as bright as possible. And those like gray areas is where we're gonna remove because that's like actually not his teeth. So we're gonna click OK. And then to remove those spaces, I'm gonna click on the actual layer. And then you're going to make sure this is black. So it's already black for me. I'm gonna click on the paintbrush, make sure the opacity is 100, and then get as small of a brush as possible. So it looks like I need an even smaller brush. Oh, one's probably too small. Let's try, yeah, this is a good brush. So you can start painting in there and it's gonna remove that paint color. So it's actually the inside of his mouth. So just gonna do this really quick. And if you actually accidentally erase too much, like back over the teeth, you can switch the paintbrush to white to refill in those areas. Don't really know if it it doesn't really make a difference. It's a shadow back there anyway. Let's see. You want to just make sure this is nice and clean as possible because you never know, they might blow up their image. This. Keep that like that. Okay. I don't want that like that. All right, so that's all you really have to do. You can also, if you want to make them even brighter, you can come into the dodge tool and lighten these areas as well. So make sure this is, let's see. Raise the exposure. It's not doing anything for me here. Oh, because I'm on the layer. Idiot, oh my gosh. So you once you switch from, you gotta switch from layer back to the photo, and you can, if you wanna just brighten up these back teeth that are a little shadowed, you can do that here. Obviously don't go, oh, I don't like that. That's his actual tooth there, okay. But don't go overboard. You don't want it to look too unrealistic. Don't want it to look like dentures or anything like that. And just do a little bit more touching up there. Okay. So here is our after Here's the before, after. And if we merge these two layers, merge the layers, so you can actually see, this is, the background is the original photo, and here is the after. Okay, yes, and we're done at 4 minutes and 30 seconds. All right, photographers, I hope you enjoyed this photography challenge of me whitening the teeth of a client's photo in Photoshop. So I really want you to get into this photography challenge. I would love to see how you whiten your client photo's teeth in Photoshop or whatever system you're using. And you can tag me in your final results on Instagram, again, at Photography by Kita. And remember, it took me 4 minutes and 30 seconds to get it done. I checked the clock right after. Did I delete it? No. Well, 4 minutes and 39 seconds. So you can see it here. This is how long it took me to get the edits done with not switching back from mask to the photo to do the final edit, and while giving instructions at the same time. Love to see how fast you get it done in this challenge. So again, tag me in it. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial about whitening teeth in Photoshop, make sure you hit that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It is free for you to do so, and it helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks so they can get in on this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.